Hello and welcome to our tutorial on advanced design customization. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use the design form section to create stunning and functional forms. Whether you're gathering feedback, registering users for an event, or collecting data, 123FormBuilder makes it easy. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can see all your forms, but let's create a new one. Click on the New Form button. Choose the type of form you want to create. For this tutorial, we'll select a blank form so we can build it from scratch. Give your form a name and click Save. Let's add a few more fields to observe how they adapt to the design. Now let's head over to the Design tab at the top left to start designing our form. In the Design section, you can customize the look and feel of your form. First, let's choose a theme. Click on Browse Other Themes on the left side. 123FormBuilder offers a variety of pre-designed themes. Scroll through and select the one that best fits your needs. For this demo, we'll choose the Vibrant Waves theme. Back in the Quick Setup section, you can change the font, text color, button text color, the form background color, and the page background color, and also the border radius and alignment of the form. Let's also change the title color to be the same one with the button color. You can either use the color picker or enter a hex code. On the layout settings, you can adjust the form width, paddings, and form direction. Let's increase the width to 1000 pixels. Under the background section, you can change the form background. You can either have a color, make it transparent, or have a background image. You can also change the page background to a solid color or an image. You can upload images up to 5 megabytes. Let's give it a try. Under the field design options, you can adjust nearly every detail. This includes fonts, text color and size, line height, input borders, input background colors, input text colors, and margins for radio buttons and check marks. You can also customize error messages and instructions. Finally, you have the option to add custom CSS code. You can paste it directly here, or you can load it from your URL. Finally, let's add a custom logo to our form. This is a great way to give your form a professional touch. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to use the design form section of 123FormBuilder. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy form building!